The first part of the gait analysis can be observed here when the lateral aspect of the calcaneus of the right foot first strikes the floor. This will initiate the first part of the stance phase. The next part is the loading response, and this can be observed when the weight of the body continues in motion and the weight is placed onto the mid-tarsal joint, which is located right along here. And this phase will last until the last point the body remains in double limb support. The mid-stance phase begins when the toes leave the ground and the body becomes into single limb support. The back leg will move off the ground and initiate flexion in the knee, and the leg will extend forward until the weight of the body is completely over the supporting limb. This phase ends when the body's center of mass is directly over the supporting limb. The push-off begins as the center of gravity moves over the right foot, as seen here. The calcaneus will then begin to raise off the ground, and the gastrocnemius will contract to create plantar flexion and initiate the push-off. The first part of the swing phase is the initial swing. This period begins when the phalanges of the left foot leave the ground. The hamstring of the left leg will then contract to bring the leg forward and initiate flexion in the knee. This period ends once the swing leg reaches maximum flexion. The next period is the mid-swing. This begins with the left leg at maximum flexion. The knee will extend forward and ankle dorsiflexors will contract to help with toe clearance. This period ends when the tibia of the left leg becomes vertical with the ground. The final period of the swing phase is the terminal swing. This period begins at the end of the mid-swing. The knee will continue to extend forward and the quadriceps will prepare for initial contact. This period ends when the lateral aspect of the left calcaneus makes contact with the ground.